Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete group chat on Messenger. So if you have made a lots of conversation in a Messenger and you want to delete your whole conversation or delete your whole chat, so how you can do this without leaving your group. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open a Messenger on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Messenger, just simply scroll down a little bit. So after scrolling down a little bit, you guys have to just simply find that specific conversation of your group. So here I have to just simply scroll down until I'm able to find a specific group. So you guys can see here is a group. I want to open it and I want to delete the conversation made in this group. So you guys can see after opening up the group, you guys can see there is a lots of conversation made on this group. So what you have to do is just simply go to the top right corner of options button. So just tap on this option button. So after tapping on this option icon, you guys will be able to see lots of option here about the group. So you have to just simply tap on the top right corner of three dots here. So after tapping on these three dots, you guys will be able to see lots of options. So what most of guys can do is they just simply hit the leave group option. So after leaving the group, the chat will be also removed, as well as they also removed from the group. But you have to just simply delete. In order to delete, you have to simply select the third option, which is delete conversation. Just simply hit the delete conversation and simply hit the delete button. So after tapping on delete, you guys will be able to see that specific group chat on the Messenger has been deleted. Now in order to find that specific group, you have to simply go to the search bar of at the above and simply type that specific name of group, and you guys will be able to find that specific group on your Messenger. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.